advocacy all about, partner?
It's all about anti-bullying.
Anti-bullying, partner, yung parang seryoso.
Kasi maraming nasasaktan sa anti-bullying.
Oh my God. We got 1, 2, sino ba? 3, 4. I got 4. Okay. So, alam naman natin na some of our students, some of the students in this school have experienced bullying before. So, partner, ano nga bang
Ang epekto ng bullying ay pwede maka-apekto sa mental health ng isang tao. Pwede siyang makapag-isip na mag-suicide, saktan ang sarili niya at mawala siya sa kanyang sarili.
right, partner? But before we start and tackle our own advocacy, we would like to introduce ourselves first. My name is Cedric Consilio.
My name is Marian Abada.
At amin po tinatawagan na namin mga nagaganda at nagwagan po mga katrupo. Palakpakan naman dyan!
My name is Erica Maywa Pao.
Ay, niyo pakilala. My name is Carmelo Anton Moras. My name is Benjamin Ramos, aka Buboy.
My name is Gary Sama.
Okay, now that we have formally introduced ourselves, we would like to start our advocacy with our speech first. So, Marian, would you like to start first?
Bullying hurts. It leaves scars that aren't always visible. Each of us has the power to make school safe and kind place. Let's choose respect over ridicule, kindness over cruelty, and friendship over fear. Remember, standing up against bullying doesn't just help others. It shows the strength in all of us. Kindness starts with us. So let's choose to be a friend instead of a bully. When we stand together and speak up, we make our school a safe and happy place for everyone. This advocacy helped me realize how important it is to create a safe and respectful environment in our school and community. So, sa mga bully dyan, hindi mo pang-bully kasi hindi lang yung hindi ka malit na kung malit na salita mo yun, malaki yung effect ko nun doon sa school. So, yun guys, sa
Ang aming advocacy ay speak to respect starting her talakay sa pagpatuloy ng problema ng bullying sa mga paaralan at komunidad kung paano ito nakaka-apekto sa mental, emotionally at social well-being ng isang tao. Ang bullying ay nagdudulot ng takot, insecurity, unsafe na environment at umahadlang sa pagkatuto at pagpapakapatay ng isang tao.
Treat others with respect and always use kind words to lift people up. If you see someone being mean, stand up for what is right and help those in need. Bullying can cause deep burn depressed. This is why you must stop bullying before it causes more harm.
So while doing this research or this advocacy, I have realized the importance of respect, intervention, and participation actually. Because if we create policies, policies can only work if we wanted them to work as well. So now, in order for us to stop bullying, since bullying is not just issue in our country because bullying is a nationwide, if not nationwide, worldwide. Everyone experiences bullying, especially me. I've experienced bullying before, and actually, I came up to the conclusion that somehow it actually did had an effect sa akin mismo. Therefore, I've realized that respect as well as intervention and education is one of the most important factors in order to stop bullying. Okay, now that we have stated our speech, we would like to present our short skit about anti-bullying.
Kailangan niyo pa yung bagong translate. Iyo mo eh. Bakit tuloy ko, guard? Nakaisip pa sa Tayo natin. Papasok pa yun sila eh. Wala pa naman.
Uy, laro tayo!
Yun na pala yun.
Laro tayo!
Parang mga tanga. Pulpo pa yun eh. Nakakasok naman. Parang nililis ko.
Time tayo, laro. Pagpulitan.
Tulog pa ako eh. Kapag ako ni Mama, papaluin ako sa puwet.
Ano na lang, mamaya na lang tayo.
Nakita ko si Bogart nasa gate na kain.
Sabi natin mo po.
Bogart. Masama yan. Kaya mo sila, Bogart. Wag, Bogart. Masama yan. Kaya mo sila. Ikutin ko sa Bogart. Wag! Mamamatay na ako.
Umiyawi na ako eh!
Hoy, Bogart! Bakit ka ba nagdadrama? Kaya naman sa namin! Sorry na nga eh!
Bogart!
Bakit? Ano ba yan? Bakit yan? Hoy!
Na ako!
Bakit ang sakit mo na lesyo?
Bogart, ano yan? Huwag ko siya alam naman sa mga Bogart. Isang tao. Bogart!
Sinihan ko! Sinihan ko! Sir, nag-iinarte si Bogart! Gusto lang niya na attention! Hoy, oh!
Ano na nangyari dito?
Sir, dali niyo sa pinakamalamang hospital!
Buhatin mo! Bigat ka!
Bogart, dadali ka namin sa malayong hospital! Hindi tayo!
Hoy,
Oh, bigat ka yun pa!
Namatay si Bogart dahil sa atin! Hindi naman namin alam yung sakit niya sa puso eh! Akala ko puso lang sa atin yun! Grabe, sa laro nangyari! Hindi ako natulog. Magbabagong buhay na ako bukas! At noon natapos, at nagsisi ang tatlong magkakaibigan dahil binuli na si Bogart. Nalaman nila na may karamdaman pala sa puso si Bogart. At ayun ang kinamatay niya dahil sa sobrang takot at sa sobrang kaba.
Done? Okay, give them a round of applause.